Assalamualaikum, we are from Smka Guling. Our product idea is BioBrick. BioBriquette is made using food waste, dry leaves, and newspaper. It serves as an alternative food source and can replace charcoal or firewood for cooking and boiling water.
Look at this mess. So much food and paper waste every day.
And it all goes to the landfill. It's hurting the environment.
I read that Malaysia produces over 33,000 tons of waste daily. Almost half is organic.
We can change that. What if we make BioBrick? It can turn waste into eco-friendly fuel.
That's a brilliant idea. We could use food scraps and paper right here.
Let's try it for our community project. It's cheap, green, and helpful.
Yes, from the waste to energy, BioBrick for the win. Guys, I think we've got a real solution here. Let's turn all this waste into BioBrick.
Exactly. We can use leftover food, dry leaves, and old paper to make eco-friendly briquettes.
It's better than using charcoal or firewood. Less smoke and way more sustainable.
Besides, we can reduce landfill waste and indirectly care for the community.
Let's start a BioBrick corner at school. It'll be our STEM and sustainability project.
Maybe we can sell the briquettes, help the community, and earn a little.
It supports SDG goals like clean energy, responsible construction, and climate action.
Plus, we are reducing daily solid waste and educating others about recycling.
We can make this part of our school's innovation club or a community project.
This product sketch illustrates the process of getting a BioBrick, an eco-friendly fuel alternative. The process begins with a mixture of organic waste and paper that is crushed and blended. This mixture is then tightly compacted into a cut plastic bottle to form the shape of the BioBrick.
After shaping, the BioBrick is sun-dried for 3 to 5 days under direct sunlight. Once dried, it becomes a usable fuel source. The BioBrick can serve as a sustainable and low-cost substitute for traditional fuels like charcoal and firewood.
The cost breakdown for producing a BioBriquette is simple and affordable. Most of the essential materials, such as organic waste, used paper, water, and drying space are free. Other required items include a plastic bottle or PVC pipe, RM0 to RM1 and 40 cents, a basin, RM3 and 49 cents, a wooden stick, RM10 and gloves, RM4 and 90 cents. The total estimated cost ranges between RM18 and 39 cents and RM19 and 79 cents, making it a low-cost and accessible project for the community.